Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to use a status bar and also how to customize the status bar. The status bar in Excel can be quite useful. By default, the status bar at the bottom of the window displays the average, count, sum. Zoom the Excel option. I have a surprise for you at the end of the video. I will tell you some secrets about the usage of status bar. So for this, see the full video. Now move into the next part. The status bar can do math for you. Select the data range. So I have select the data range here. Now look at the status bar to see the average, count and sum of these selected cells. See at the status bar it's showing average, count and sum. To quickly change the workbook view, use the 3-view shortcut on the status bar. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. The first one is normal view, second one is page layout and third one is page break preview. Click on the normal mode and you can move into the normal mode again. To quickly change the workbook view or to zoom the Excel workbook, just click on the zoom in, zoom out option. You can increase or you can decrease the size of the Excel sheet as per your requirement. Many status bar options are selected by default. If you right click on the status bar, you can see that lots of status bar option is already selected by default. So now I will select the caps lock option and see here, while I pressing the caps lock key from keyboard, here the text will appear caps lock. Just pressing the caps lock from keyboard and he see the caps lock is text is written here. And like this you can add multiple options, just like if you use the num lock, so it will give you a text num lock because num lock is on, just off num lock, so num lock text is disappear. Now it's time to tell you the secrets about status bar usage. So here is a little secrets. Excel uses the status bar in many other purposes. If you don't like this, hide the status bar. For example, filter a table. Excel uses the status bar to show the number of visible records. Just filter this table and see here it will give you the information that 3 records is showing out of 9 records. So it is very helpful while you are using a big table. And the second secret is, if you are using Microsoft Office 2016, then please use the shortcut key Ctrl Shift F1 to hide the status bar. Or you are not using 2016 version or 2019 version, then you don't need to worry. You can also able to hide the status bar by writing some code. I will show you the code. Just click on the developer tab and open the Visual Basic Editor and click on this workbook option, and from here just select the workbook option and it will automatically change into an open event. Just write down this line of code, application dot status bar equal to false, then the status bar will hide. While you are writing VBA code and you want to display some message, you can use the status bar also. So we will learn about more about the usage of status bar, how to display the message on the status bar in our next video. So thanks for watching